Right, let's move. I want to do two more. So the one is the mass calculation and the other one is the mass volume calculation. I think so.
Yes, yeah, we did. This is what you've been doing.
Okay, so urea, and they give the formula there. Obviously, when you have an unfamiliar reaction with unknown compounds that you haven't been exposed to, I will never expect you to know the formula for urea. Maybe in life sciences they will.
No.
But it's used to prepare fertilizer, and because it's a common source of nitrogen. What mass of ammonia must be used to prepare 1 kilogram of urea according to the following unbalanced reaction? So they give you one substance mass and they ask you to get another substance mass. We need a balanced equation for the reaction. So CO2 and 2NH3 goes to urea, NH2CO, NH2 and water.
Yes, we've just
It is always a good thing to check the balancing. Okay. So the next step is to write the mole ratio. You may write the mole ratio for the substances that you're going to use. Last year I said to you, write 1 mole to 2 moles to 1 mole to 1 mole. You have to write everything. Now you write what you need. So what do we need? We're going to need urea and ammonia. So I don't have to write down this part or that part. I'm going to write what I need. So I start off with 1 kilogram must be 1,000 grams. Okay. Now we could go to mass ratios, but they are too complicated for my happiness. So I go to mole ratio.
Yes.
So the mole is mass over molar mass. It's 1,000 over
14 plus 2 plus 12 plus 16 plus 14 plus 2.
61.
Yeah, but you're rolling, eh? On the ball. How much?
16,39.
Right, 16,67.
It's more but 22.7. Ladies and gentlemen, you've given us 3 different answers.
Yeah, there should be one answer.
1,000 divided by 16. 14 plus 2 plus 12 plus 16.
Apparently this is 60.
That's equal to 60 and not 61.
It's 61. 14
Plus 2
plus 2
plus 12
plus 12
plus
plus
16.
16,67.
Plus 4.
16,67.
It gives you 61. I'm not sure. Wait.
74.
Yeah?
Okay.
So I reckon 14 plus 14. How do you get 61?
Plus you 19.
What is the mass?
You have even numbers. How do you get it?
What's the mass?
60.
Okay, wait, now. Molar mass is 12.
The molar mass is 60.
Okay, guys.
60.
Yes, 60.
Oh, 16,6.
How do you
14 plus 2
Plus 12.
plus 12.
That's 16.
No, you're skipping. Oh, yeah,
Plus 16 plus 14.
Plus
That's
14.
14.
Yours, this is taking you a long time. Then from there, using the ratio 1 to 2, we can get the moles of the nitrogen, the ammonia that was used. Yes, 33 point?
33.34.
And from there, we can get the mass. 17.
2 times 17.
The 2 you already used. When you use the ratio, you've used the 2.
Oh, you already multiplied by 2, yes.
When you have used the ratio, you multiplied by 2. So it's times 7.
566,78.
Now I realize how much rounding of the answer changes in answer of the next. Because for that one I got 33,2.
Now, babies, this is a theoretical yield.
Yes.
Remember?
You didn't ask for that.
You don't
This is a theoretical yield. The yield that you calculate by mathematics is a theoretical yield. Or should I not confuse you now?
No.
Okay.
Confuses now.
Next one. Let's change this to the actual yield.
What's being changed to the actual.
So we're just getting rid of the excess.
So now let's find the limiting.
No, we don't need to find that. We can do that in the... Because they said that 1,000 grams is produced, 1 kilogram is produced. How much ammonia will we need? So we have calculated the ammonia that will give the 1,000 grams. That is a theoretical need. But we could have had more that were actually in the mixture that didn't react. But we'll get to that in a later example. So in this one we've got hydrogen chloride and it's reacting with zinc and it prepares hydrogen gas and what's the salt that will form?
H2 plus zinc chloride.
Zinc chloride.
Yeah. Ma'am, did we skip number 3 on purpose?
I skipped number 2 on purpose. Yes, it's hopelessly too easy.
Where is
You
this?
can do it.
Where is this thing, man?
It should be the following one.
Oh, okay, I see.
Okay. To balance the reaction equation, you need 2 moles of hydrochloric acid for 1 mole zinc to make 1 mole hydrogen and 1 mole zinc chloride. Right, so let's read the question. They say the reaction between hydrochloric acid and zinc is used in the preparation of hydrogen gas. Calculate the volume of a 0.5 mole per cubic decimeter solution of hydrochloric acid needed to react with 10 grams of zinc. So we've got 10 grams of zinc. That's given. But they give you a concentration of HCl.
Yes.
So they're mixing up these things a little bit. 0.5 mole per cubic decimeter. Okay. So what can I do
Get the
with
mole of zinc.
get the mole of zinc?
Yes.
First, before I forget, I want the mole ratio. 2 mole acid to 1 mole zinc. So the mole of the zinc is mass over molar mass 10 over
65.
65.
Yeah.
65. And this gives us
0.15.
0.15 mole.
So 0.3 mole of.
Yeah, so the acid required is 0.3 mole.
And
We multiply by 2.
E is equal to C times.
Wacht.
E
Wait.
is equal to.
N divided by C.
Yeah.
C equals N times V.
N over.
Nah? So V equals N over C. Yeah. So it's the N is 0.3 and the C is 0.5
0.6.
and that gives us
0.6.
Cubic decimeters.
Yes. That is it. Is it too easy?
Yes.
He might